talked about the opportunities and challenges of mRNA-based therapies in the last video. Originally, the EXPERT project aimed at developing a treatment against triple-negative breast cancer. But the team had some difficulties, especially with the delivery of the mRNA to the tumor. So by changing the focus of the project, they were successful in developing a lipid nanoparticle suitable for the application in specific cancer types. Right now, they are at a stage of scaling up the production of this lipid nanoparticle that holds the potential to be adapted for different cancers and even other diseases.
One of the main challenges for the production of this kind of non-viral vectors is to make the transition from the lab to a scalable production. So it is really important before designing the LNPs in this case to see what not only the chemistry but also the technology that will be used in the scaling up process.
Basically, one of the main problems that we have when we are thinking about ATMPs or mRNA and lipid formulations is the reproducibility. It's not so easy to find the right process to scale up and industrialize what you are developing in your lab. So purification process, for example, is something that has to be very well considered. Depending on how your process is actually working.
In our case, the most difficult task in the scaling up process was to get the LNPs purified and concentrated. In general, the scaling up process of manufacturing the LNPs are divided in different steps. The main one is the preparation of the solutions. This one has not difficulties because the preparation of these solutions are easy. Then the next step is to produce the LNPs by mixing a lipidic solution and an aqueous solution to form actually by nanoprecipitation the lipid nanoparticles. But once that we have this, then the main challenge in our case was to purify and to get the right concentrations. This one has been done by using a tangential flow filtration.
GMP, Good Manufacturing Process, is a system that ensures that products are produced and controlled consistently according to quality standards. It is designed to minimize the risks involved in any pharmaceutical production. Let's look at the specific parameters of LNP's GMP-like production.
The main characteristics that are analyzed in these LNPs are the size of the LNPs, the PDI, which is the polydispersity index of the size, the zeta potential, which is the surface charge of these LNPs, the encapsulation efficient, that means or gives us the idea of how much of the RNA is included or is inside the lipid nanoparticle, and obviously the concentration of the RNA that it's fundamental to keep in mind and to control carefully so that the different analysis and the different assays can be carried out in the future.
The scaling up process of a new pharmaceutical product is difficult and expensive. But platform technologies, such as the LNP developed during the EXPERT project, could be a solution.
So in here, our role is to optimize the platform that has been created for the delivery of mRNA and optimize it and scale up to a GMP-like production. So inside CIDETEC, we had classified labs. They are actually designed specifically to comply with GMP requirements. This has a lot of quality implications as well as design implications. One of the things that we are doing to try to minimize the time to market and to minimize the cost related to the development of any formulation is to use one methodology that is implicitly for the pharmaceutical market, that is quality by design. We have a project in the partner that is actually specifically, it's a real expert on that area that has shared his knowledge with us. While new developments in the pharma area are actually going towards the trend of ATMPs and personalized medicine. So what we are trying to do is to minimize the cost of the development, to make it easier for pharma companies to actually achieve results that can go to market and to the patients faster.
The EXPERT project has made some groundbreaking discoveries and has paved the way for the development of novel treatments. We will talk about intellectual property, patents and spin-offs in the next video.